In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the radiator fan assembly in this Volkswagen Tiguan. This is going to be located in the front of the engine bay. Let's get into it. Pop this intake hose off, intake tube off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. Just pop that out. And then it's going to come out down below as well. You might have to use the trim tool on the sides of that. Pull that out. And we're going to take this screw out right here, and there's one on the other side. Use a T25 socket. Take that out. And take this bracket out of the way. In the fan shroud assembly on the upper side, we're going to take these two screws out, one on each side. I'm going to use a T30 socket. Take that out. And on the other side, underneath the radiator hose, take that one out. Take that one out. Using a 7mm socket, take these screws out. I just grab this trim piece on the side. You're just gonna pop it out and try to pull it forward. Do the same on the other side. Pull that out. Using a T25 socket, take these screws out. There's one in the middle here. Should be 3 screws on the side. This vehicle only has 2. And do the same on the other side. Underneath here, just using a trim tool, you can just pop that back, and then this slides right off. I'm going to disconnect the electrical connector. I'm just going to use a pick. There's a little lock tab. You just want to push that up. You can push down on the tab. Just going to release it under here. And disconnect the connector. On the left side lower part of the fan above the intercooler tube, there's a bolt or a screw right there. Use a T30 socket. And that broke, that's okay. On the other side, there's some coolant tubes. You just move those out of the way and you can see the other screw. Same T30 socket. Take that one out. Take that out. Just grab the fan assembly. I'm just gonna twist it to the side a little bit. Just get it past. Just go back and forth. And it comes right out. Take the fan, slide it up. Just move the hoses out of your way. All right, get that in place. And you want to get the bolt started from underneath. Make sure it's lined up. There we go, I got it started. Get that lined up. Get that one started. Give it a couple turns. And before we tighten that down, we'll get the top ones in. And get the top bolts in. And we'll snug it down. Do the same on the other side. And put the other one in. And we'll tighten this one down. And snug that down. Now we can tighten the lower ones. Now tighten this down. snug that down. And snug down the last one. All right, that's tight. Take the connector for the fan, get that lined up. I'll put this shield up. It's lined up. Just put the screws in, snug those down. I'll put these two in, snug these down. And do the same on the other side. This plate is going to go right here. Get that lined up. Tap it in place on the sides. And put these screws in, snug these down. Now put this intake tube, or intake box in place. Get that lined up, get the screws started. Snug that down and put the other screw in on the other side. Snug that down. I take this tube, get that lined up, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.